Verifies voltage presence. Verifies the presence of AC voltage prior to working on electrical installation or troubleshooting. GFI6302 and VD6504. Durable. High-impact resistant ABS housing with soft over-molded rubber grips with a compact ergonomic design. GFI6302 and VD6504. Quickly read. Bright color-coded neon lights for easy visual indication. GFI6302. Circuit sensing. Non-contact sensitivity detects 50 to 1000 volts AC and patented battery self-test feature. VD6504. Audible and visible indicator. 360 degrees visual and beeping audio non-contact voltage detection. VD6504. Rated. CAT rating 300 volts. CLUS. GFI6302. CAT rating 1000 volts. IV 600 volts. VD6504. 10 feet drop and 250 pounds crush. GFI6302 and VD6504. Top reviews from the United States. Must have for DIR. Where were these all my life? I had some weird electrical issues in my new house, and these helped track down the issue much easier than with a voltmeter alone. They work just like described. The non-contact voltage tester is a breeze to detect hot wires instantly. And the plug tester is a cool bonus to ensure plugs are wired correctly. I'd recommend this product, especially for people who do their own handy work around the house.